Hello guys, today we'll be doing the Patriot. This is also by Mel Gibson. I just had to mix them up. Actually, Kevin Costner's only in Man of Steel. I realized that. But this is Mel Gibson's classic movie called The Patriot, which is about America and American values. So, it's also a classic movie as well. So, this is the original Blu-ray version, so there's no digital code or DVD, because they have not released another Blu-ray cut. Because this is a very old Blu-ray backside here. And oh my god, of course it. Very annoying. Yeah, the Patriot, which is the extended version. Yeah, there's no code. Oh, actually, there's back artwork, so we gotta go here. And this is, of course, for the soldiers. Blu-ray disc. Yeah, this is obviously a very old Blu-ray. This is the extended cut of the movie. Was this saved when this came out? It came out in 2000. Yeah, this came out when Blu-rays just came out. When there was something else called HD DVD, and no one bought that, so it basically flopped. And yep, that's basically about the Patriot Blu-ray. Goodbye.